Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you 3 beautiful and unique hairstyles for wedding or parties. So let's get started. For the hairstyle number 1, I'm gonna start with doing middle parting and then I will start doing Dutch braid by adding few strands to the sides like this. You have to do a Dutch braid by adding few strands till your ear and then start doing regular braid without adding any strand. And now first you have to pull your braid to give it a thicker and messier look. This will enhance your hairstyle. Now I'm gonna braid till the end and tie it with hair tie that matches your hair color. Now I will repeat the same steps on the other side, doing Dutch braid by adding few strands to the sides like this. You have to add strands till your ear. Now start doing regular braid without adding any hair to the braid and start pulling while doing the braid so it will look messier and thicker. Now tie your braid with hair elastic that matches your hair color. Now take both the braids to the back and pin it nicely so that it will not lose later. Now I'm gonna grab one of my braid and make a bun shape like this. It will look like flower bun and pin it nicely with the jura pins. Now grab the other braid and do the same thing. Make a bun shape like this and pin it nicely so that it will not lose later. Like this. Look how gorgeous these flower bun looks. Now I'm going to enhance the look by adding these few accessories and look how gorgeous this hairstyle stands out. I hope you try this hairstyle and you can wear this on Indian lehenga or sari or any traditional outfit. For the second hairstyle, I'm gonna create this beautiful bun. So I'm gonna grab last section of my hair and divide it into 3 equal parts and start making regular braid all the way down. Then I will fold it like this and pin it with bobby pins and make sure you pin it properly so that it will not lose later. Then grab leftover hair and smoothen it with the help of comb and then tie it with hair elastic at the end and create a loop like this because this loop will help to fold the hair properly. Now start folding your hair towards the previous bun and take it to the right side like this and then pin it with bobby pins. Use bobby pin as much as you want to pin it nicely. And then to enhance the hairstyle look, I'm gonna add few hair accessories. You can add your favorite accessories according to your outfits. And that's it for this hairstyle. Look how gorgeous this hairstyle looks. And you can create this hairstyle on sari. It will look gorgeous. For the hairstyle number 3, I'm gonna create this flower bun in just 3 minutes. Firstly, grab last section of your hair from left side and then take out small section from front like this. Then tie the last section of hair with hair elastic that matches your hair color and pull your hair little bit to give it a messier look. Now do the same thing on the other side. Grab a last section of your hair and take out a small section from front like this. Now make a ponytail of your last section and now I will start by bottom ponytail and I will twist it by dividing it into 2 equal sections and I make a rope braid all the way down and pull that braid little bit to give it a messier look. Now grab that braid and make a bun shape like this over the previous ponytail and pin it nicely by using jura pins or bobby pins. Now do the same thing on the previous ponytail and divide into 2 equal sections and make a rope braid all the way down and then pull it little bit and take it from right side to left side and pin it nicely. Look how gorgeous this flower one looks already. Now start by front section, divide into 2 equal parts and start making rope braid again. Now while making the rope braid, just start pulling your braid to give it a thicker and messier look. Now do the same thing on the other side. Make a row braid and pull it and take it over the bun. And then pin it nicely. Add few accessories to enhance the hairstyle. I'm adding these sparkly beads. You can use anything of your choice. Just match it with your outfits. And that's it. Look how gorgeous this bun stands out. It is looking beautiful. You can wear it on any Indian outfit.